I want to thank you for stopping in and checking out today's video. Today we're going to show you how to install these doors on an 800EX, but you can also put these on the older style 1000, or even some of you still can get the newer style 1000, and these will still fit on a trail model the exact same way. You don't have to already have doors for these to fit. And you know where you can get them? You can get them right there at Main Street Cycle. They have a stack of these things ready to ship, ready to rock and roll. These are pretty nice doors. Definitely good quality. They're not super heavy. And I already put one on just to kind of check, see if I liked it to even do the video. And I did kind of like it. So we're going to do the video on them. And now let's get into it. So to get started, guys, I'm going to show you what you need. You're going to need an Allen head to get this bolt and this bolt out. Then what you're going to want to do is go around and pull all these push clips. Pull this clip here. Pull this one here. There's supposed to be one down there, but there's not. But if you do, pull it out. Pull this one, this one. We're going to open up the door here. What you're going to want to do is pull the seat out. But there's Phillips head screws in this plastic. Pull all the Phillips head screws. You probably don't have this because this is part of the lower doors. Pull all these Phillips head screws out. They'll be in the same location. Once you do, there's going to be some push clips along this edge. You're going to want to get those pulled. Once you get this off, this orange piece will come right off. Leave the door on, but this orange piece and this black piece will come right off. Once you do that, you're going to want to pull these clips, and there's some clips under here. You can't see it because of the door, but you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And then you're going to want to pull this clip, 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 and that's it. And then if you do have doors, you're going to want to pull this off. If you don't have doors, there'll be clips there. Just pull the clips. So that'll get you started. And once you do that, we'll be right back. Well, once you get all these screws out that I showed you, this panel just pops right off, just like so. And this one you got to finagle with just a tad. Now it'll come right off. So there we go. Got that off. Once you get those clips out that I was telling you about, and them two screws, you just literally, no joke, just pull this out just like this. And there's a 13mm bolt right here. Just want to go ahead and set that aside. Once you get all your clips out, just like I said, this orange piece will just come right off. And then there's a 10mm screw here. There's another clip over here. And there's another clip over here. Then all you got to do, pull this back and get that 13mm bolt out. These two out next. So next you're going to want to get the piece that looks just like this, and we're going to want to put it in there. Now it's going to go like this, and we're going to go ahead and put our 13mm bolt back in there. Just like so. Now you're going to want to get your little nut and bolt out of the package, and it's going to go through here all the way through this little hole. You'll see it. It's a hole there. And we'll go ahead and put that on. Just like so. And I already know pretty much the adjustment, so we're going to go ahead and tighten those up. We'll do that off camera. 4 of your little screws that come in your pack. Now once you got your screws set, you're going to want to push this door all the way back and get it nice and straight. And then you're going to want to get your optional, or I would say it's not optional, it's a must-have, your Ugga gun. And we're going to sit those down. We can go ahead and start putting back all of our clips and everything, and then we'll show you the next step. Let's go ahead and get that done. Now this bracket here that you're probably wondering, it goes right here and it goes right here. So what we're gonna wanna do is get our nuts and bolts in there. We'll get our famous Ugga Dugga gun. So our next chore is getting these out. These are gonna be sort of a pain. Not bad. All right, now what we're gonna do next is put this on just like this. Very last step is we're gonna get this latch. I'm gonna put this down on here, not all the way, but down on there some. We're gonna get it through. Gonna get it that out of the way, but we're gonna get this through here, somewhere in that position. Actually, that worked out real good. So, I guess the adjustment on that's gonna be easy. There we go. Well, that concludes today's install on the Super ATV doors. These things actually look pretty good. I want to thank you guys for stopping in and watching. And I know you're admiring the build here, and it's almost complete. A few odds and ends to get buttoned up. We got to make mounts for the whips and zip tie a couple wires, but trust me, lo and behold, it'll be finished by May. It'll probably actually be finished by next month, I'm hoping. So it's just a matter of me getting out here and tidying up the loose ends. It's already ready to be done. So I want to thank you guys for watching. That concludes today's video. Peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one. Remember, Main Street Cycle will hook you up with anything you need. Just tell them Redneck Garage sent you. Peace.